How you doing, everybody? Thanks for stopping by. Got a quick video here. It's really a no-brainer, but I'm trying to capture just about everything I cook on video. I'm very diverse when it comes to food, and I was brought up on some unusual dishes, and one of those dishes was chicken hearts. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do some chicken hearts. And basically that's all you need: chicken heart, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. But it's all in the cleaning. So what we'll do is we'll get it out of the fridge, and I'll show you how to clean them. Here I have about 1.75 pounds of chicken hearts. Now, I know it's not everybody's thing, but I do enjoy eating the unusual stuff. So, what we're going to do here is I'll show you on a couple how to clean them, and then I'll cut them all and rinse them off, and then we'll get to cooking them. All right. So basically, you have the heart. What you want to do is you want to cut them in half. You want to look inside of them, and you'll see. I don't know if you see. There's some blood in there. You really don't want that. So we're going to cut them in half, so this way we can rinse these. And do another one. Yeah, so that's basically what we're going to do. All right, let me get these, then I'll rinse them, and then we'll cook them up real quick. Okay, I came across this. So sometimes you'll see the artery sticking out. You don't want to eat that. If that's sticking out, cut it off. And sometimes I haven't seen any yet, but sometimes you'll get the arterial sac, and you cut that off too. Okay, so I got these washed, and I'm going to try to dry them off as much as I can. And I'm just going to sit here and do this. There's some livers in there too, by the way. Let me just wash my hands. All right. So now, to season, I'm just going to use a spoon. Even though my hands are clean, I don't want to contaminate my salt. So I got about, I don't know, about a tablespoon, and I didn't put all of it in. So I'm going to leave it like that, and then I'll season it more as we cook it. Some fresh pepper. And some garlic powder. That's it. I'm gonna give these a mix. Let these sit for a second or two. In the meantime, I get my cast iron. I love cast iron. I'm gonna start with that on medium. And we're going to put a generous amount of butter in there. I'm going to start with about 3 tablespoons. I'm going to let that melt down and get this melted, and once this is melted, then we'll be back. So our butter's melted. You might want to do this in batches because if you overcrowd the pan, they're gonna steam more than they are gonna cook up crisp. So you don't want to overcook them because they'll become tough. So I'm thinking this is good. So that's probably about 1/3. So I have this on high, and we're going to just move them around. All right, I'm going to let these sit a couple minutes, and then I'll move them around again. Okay. Move them around again. Cook them until the pink is just gone. You know, you want to make sure that you got a good temperature throughout. And then I'm going to let these sit a little bit. Okay, so these look done. Take them out. We're going to put some more butter in there. Put some more of the hearts. So I'm going to cook these down. I'm going to have to put on my exhaust fan, and I'm sure you don't want to hear that. These are done. They cook up really fast. And again, more butter, the last little bit. There you have it. Nice big bowl. So you could make some rice, put in some rice, eat it that way. That's the way we used to eat it. And they're tender. And they're really good. It tastes like the dark meat on the chicken thigh. That's what it tastes like. So, anyway, I hope you try this. Hope you like it. So, until next time, John Campo, the Not So Neat Chef. Bye.